Hello, in this video, we will implement conditional rendering in our React project. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will define conditional rendering, and then we'll do a demo for ternary operation, and then use switch statement. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github Repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. Conditional rendering allows us to render certain parts of the page if conditions are met. We can use the following, so if else, ternary operation, switch statement, or other conditional statements. As long as the value is true, then the particular section of the code will be implemented. You'll see it in the demo after this one. Okay, so in Visual Studio Code, let's first start our application. Control tilde, cd props. This is where our React code is, and then npm start. So now in our application, we can see that there is a form and there is a list of membership tiers. So we want to do a conditional rendering, so we will just show the form or the membership tier one at a time. So in VS Code, let's first go to props and then app.js. And here, let's create a new state. We'll add a new state here and name it as const app state, application state. Put set state as the setup state as a way to update it. And then use state. And then indicate the initial value. We will indicate the initial value as list membership, because the first page will be the page wherein we list all the memberships. So now let's go down. Right now we render the membership form and membership list inside our main application. We want to change this, so let's create a variable. So let display membership equals, so we'll create conditions. So app state, if it's equal to add membership, so we will display the membership form. So at this point, we just put here membership form, then with add membership, copy this here. Otherwise, we will display the membership list. Okay, so here in the membership form, how do we get to the membership form? To the membership list, how do we get to the membership form? So we add a button. So here, button, one click, goes to, so we just update the app state, set app state to add membership. Okay, close this, then add membership button. This is the add membership. Okay, so it throws an error because we are returning 2 rows in a JSX, so we just add a fragment to group it as 1. Oops. Save. Okay. So now we will use this display membership. So let's go to our return and then simply update this, remove this, and then use the display membership. Okay. Okay, so after adding the new membership, we need to go back to the list membership page. So we will update this add membership handler. So we'll just add here a set up state into list membership. Okay. Else. Okay, so now let's go to our form. So go to components, membership form. So here, instead of doing the reset handler, the reset form will change the button into cancel. And then move it next to the submit. And then we change this to cancel handler. So instead of reset, we have a cancel. So cancel handler. We remove this. So we navigate back to the list. So in case the user don't want to add a new membership. So event. This is just to prevent default, which will re-render the page when we click the button. So event that prevent default. Then we add the props to be handled by the parent. So the calling component. So props on cancel. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to app.js. Here on the form, let's add the new props on cancel. Okay. So set app state. So when we cancel, we set the app state back to list membership. Okay. Save. Okay. New line. We're missing this one. Okay. So now let's verify the result in our application. So here we can now see only the membership tiers. You can still see the tier list, and then when we click add membership, we can now add a membership. So let's try first the cancel. So it goes back to the form, to the list, and then let's try to add again. So diamond description, then submit, and you can see that the list is updated with the new membership. So cancel still works and the diamond is retained. Okay, so now let's try conditional rendering using the switch statement. So here, let's add a switch. Let's not delete this first because I'll use this as a reference. So switch, app state, the value we're monitoring, case, add membership. If it's add membership, then what we'll do is update display membership equals to this JSX. Okay, default, we add a break first. Then default display membership. Whoa, it's covered. Equals to this part. Save. Okay, now we can delete this section. So we just declare that there is a display membership and then implement the switch statement. Okay, so now let's validate the application again. Add membership, diamond, submit, then try to add again, cancel. So should be working fine. So to summarize, conditional rendering allows for selective rendering in the page when conditions are met. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.